Hi, Juliana. How you doing? Thanks so much for kicking things off for week 4 assignment 2. We're getting down to it here. We're getting very, very close. But anyways, I've got your presentation up right here, and what I also did is right next to yours. I'm not going to show you just yet because I want to go through yours a little bit, but and make some comments, and then I want you to I want to show you an example of a very successful student project for this assignment so that you can kind of see, in a way, where you're heading, I guess, is one way to look at it. But the point is that I just want you to see a successful, I think a lot of times it really does help to see a really, what would be considered a super successful presentation for something that you're working on. I think that's only natural to want to see that too. So let's get started. Okay, so you've got your images and then you've got your materials, branch, pen inside. Okay, then you have this, you have collateral in a different typeface. Okay, so it seems like you just got 3 different pages put together here. This is a presentation, and it should be a presentation. And I know I said this before, and I will continue to say this. I tell all students that you should really shoot for presentation formatting on all of your assignments. I mean, you're designers. It only makes sense. The end goal is this, is that you should never have anybody look at a piece of your work as a designer and say, I don't know what I'm looking at. And I think that right now, if somebody were to open this up and they would go like this, they would go, oh, I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, so let me just show you an example of, now there's nothing wrong with you doing, your ideas are sound, this is good, but we're just really, really underdeveloped in a lot of ways. And let me just show you by example, because I think that might be the best way to go. This is a presentation that was, okay, this is what I would consider a very successful presentation. You got the whole project overview. Now this is already week 4, so you have next week and you're turning your final in. So that's why I'm showing you how detailed this really should be. So you have your project overview, then you have your conceptual sketches, your finalized trade show concept and a complete description along with the sketch. Then you have your finalized concept again, material. Now this is really important. Here's the trade show booth. Okay, here are some things that are labeled. All right, front side view, front view. Here's another shot of the trade show, just showing yet another isometric view. Okay, and then this is what I want you to see. This is trade show booth finalized concept. This is the thesis. Okay, and this is the materials list. Note the materials list describes everything and gives it in, really specific format. Okay, and then everything, of course, is covered in this wonderfully formatted sources. Let's go back to where we were. My Adobe Acrobat is freaking out right now, so this might be a minute. There we go. Okay. I don't know why this is doing what it's doing, but sorry about that. Anyway, so here's back to the trade show booth. So again, materials list, and tell us what it's about. Then we go over to the information collateral. Here's the little thesis. Tell us what it's about. Here's the finalized concept for the information collateral. Here's the inks and the materials being used to print the information collateral. And then here's the final of the information collateral. Then finally we have these, we'll get to that. But then we have the giveaway. The giveaway is, okay, there's the sketch, there's the thesis, the concept. Then here's some sketches and some ideas. And guess what? Materials. A very detailed set of materials. You've got advantages and disadvantages as well as product information. So this, you can see, is formatted beautifully. So I'd like you to shoot for that in your presentation. I think that that's kind of where we should be right now. So anyways, okay, good job. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. Okay, thank you.